Welcome to WebStarBrus. In this video, I will show you how to like a game on Roblox mobile. Open Roblox app on your phone and select the game you want to play. I will select this game. Once you are on the game's page, scroll down. Under the description, you will see up and down arrows. This is user ratings or votes. To like the game, you can tap on up arrow icon, like so. But it says you must visit this experience before rating it. So to like the game, I'll need to join and play the game first. So let's play the game. To play the game, I'll tap this play button and I'll spend some time in the game. Alright, now if I go back to the game's page, I'll be able to upvote this game. Upvote counts as like. And this is how you like a game on Roblox mobile. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.